Shabby, you say you love me. You will never love another woman like you love me. I saw we go be, I saw we good day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're very welcome. So my name is Beauty by Efe. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe below, join this family. Also hit the notification bell so that we can get notifications when I upload videos. So from the name of this video, you know what this video is all about. Is the Fenty highlight, like the new foil Killawatt, the new Killawatt foil. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to create this lovely eye intrigue makeup look in just a few minutes. Okay, so I have here with me Fenty. This is the only product I'm using. I used this to work one day and people really loved it on me. I'm like, you know what, I have to shoot a video on this. So I have the new Killawatt foil highlighter in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. But here, this is it. I don't know if I pronounced that right. I received this in my grad at work. So I'm gonna be using this as my highlight and also as my eye shadow look. So you can see I have Fenty on. Yes. I got this at work also. So my eyes are prepped and primed. So we're gonna start with a transition color, and I will be using a match stick. I'll be using the color Expresso for my transition. And because I have hooded eyes, like when I close my eyes, when I open my eyes, like this part of my eyes just cover my lid. So I would have to like take the eyeshadow really high. So I'll be using my blending brush to blend this out. I'll be blending it like almost to my eyebrows, but not to my eyebrows, because I just wanted to like take the lid, you know, the crisp pace, so that way it's like minimizes. I'll start with this at my outer corner. I'll go with this crisp brush and apply this. I've used this like twice, so like the first time was still well, the second time was when I shoot a video with this with my camera, but I didn't like the quality, so I'm like, oh, let me just reshoot this. But yeah, so this is like this third time I'm using it. So I would be starting from my outer corner, because I want the gold color to go in the inner corner, and I'll be taking this really high. So I'm like looking across. If you have hooded eyes, want to do that, so that way when you look straight across, people can still see the shadow you applied. Alright, so that's where I'm gonna be stopping at the eye tip. I'm just gonna like keep filling it in. Now you notice I'm not using a flat brush, yeah, because I want this to be on the outer V, so I want it to be really fluffy. So now I'm gonna be using this brush, this eyeshadow brush, to apply this one and the inner side. Okay, so that is done. Then I'm gonna move ahead to blending. You're gonna make sure you blend everything you do, guys. Blending is a key to a flawless eye look. And we're gonna blend, you know, the middle also, where the two colors meet, because you don't want people to tell where they meet. You want it to look like, you know, like a transition color, like the gold transition into the pink. I didn't say this earlier, I already prepped my skin, used my foundation, did my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, you know, like highlights and lippy, liner, lashes, and come back and show you how I'm gonna use it on my cheekbone as my highlight. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. I already did the rest of my face. Now it's time for the highlights. If you're wondering everything I used on my face, I'm gonna list it in the description box below. And mind you, most of it I what Fancy. So the first color I'll be using is the gold and my Cupid's bow, just slightly. My nose. Alright, so now we go on our cheekbone lightly. Mind you, I didn't contour. I just highlighted. I just used a lighter concealer, but didn't contour because I think I have a natural contour anyway. So why should I do that? See this? That's what we're talking about. You guys can stop here, but I just want to show you how to use the pink also, because when I wore this look to work, I'm telling you, people were like asking me what I had on. So slightly over it. And the main reason why the pink is gonna work is because I already have the gold on it. When you have like two highlighters you want to use, you know, like a dual lighter. I said lighter. Like a dual highlighter, right? So you want to have like two. If you have like two dual lighters, you want to use the darker color first and then go over to the lighter shade, so that way it just blends in. If you use the lighter color straight away, it looks ashy, and you don't want to look ashy with your makeup. You know, you just want to look pretty. You want it to look seamless. And I'm just like slightly fading out the edges, you know. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe below if you've not subscribed. And I'm so sorry for, I know I have acne all over my face. I've been battling acne since like a few months ago, so it just keeps going and coming. So please ignore the acne, okay? And so I'm moving closer to the camera because I want you to, like, you know, just see it closely.
Forever my love, I go tell everybody, yo, because them don't know. Say that me be your baby. Them don't know. Say that me you they love. Baby, them don't know.
I'm gonna see my next one, okay? So until my next one, stay beautiful, always.